How to make a new account on Xbox Series S or X. So on the dashboard home screen here, you're going to want to go to the top left hand corner and press A on your profile picture. Then press B to get out of this section here. You want to get to the section where it says profile and system. Then you want to go ahead and click on add or switch. There you will be able to scroll down to the bottom and then click A on add new. In the add new section, you're going to want to go ahead and type in an existing email. You can go ahead and create an email on your computer or phone, etc. Then you want to go ahead and type that in right here so that you can go ahead and sign into that account. This makes the process a lot easier. Technically, you can create a new email for this, but an existing one's a lot easier. So once you go ahead and type that in, then it's going to go ahead and ask you for some more information after that. But the whole process will lead you through from there. Then eventually you'll be able to sign up with a new Xbox account and then play it from there. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.